In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your LinkedIn forgotten password. For some reason, after signing in into your LinkedIn account, you had forgotten your password. Maybe it's been a while that you have used it. So in this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to recover your LinkedIn forgotten password. So make sure to stay to the end of this video to see the entire steps. On your LinkedIn home feed, on the top left corner, proceed to click on your profile icon. Then scroll down till you locate settings and click on it. Among the bunch of menus under settings, proceed to click on sign in and privacy. Then on this interface, you could see email address, phone number, and change password. Since we're interested in our password, we have to proceed to click on this. For those who have their current password in mind, you can use this option. But in case you had forgotten your password, you have to proceed to click on forgot password. So this will land you on an interface like this. If you already have your existing email address or phone number information in your LinkedIn account, it will automatically fall here so that you can proceed to click on reset password. So an email address or text message will be sent via your email or phone number, and you'll be able to access those information and use it to access your LinkedIn account. It's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.